phase and the fourth phase. Fourth phase is Cretaceous period, around 65. Around 65 million years. This is called late what? Late which phase? Cretaceous phase. Cretaceous. Cretaceous phase. Fourth phase. Cretaceous phase. That happened around 65 million years ago. That means between 145 to what? 4 billion, it is a formation of what? Other oceans. Formation of what? Other ocean and the separation between them. So that means two things happen. One is splitting of what? Splitting of continents and formation of what? New oceans. Formation of new ocean, Atlantic and Indian oceans. Formation of new oceans, splitting of continents and the formation of new oceans arise. So which two new oceans? Indian Ocean and this called as Indian Ocean and Atlantic Ocean get developed. So this produced this. So diagram is like this. So how the diagram will appear? So now this is creating this part. If you observing this, okay, now this has become North America, this become what? Europe, this get attached, this become what? Asia. Now, if you see this part, what called? This become what? South America. What called what? Africa, isn't it? Then is what called? This is Madagascar. This is what called? So around 65 million years ago, India was somewhat located here. India was near Africa, and this part become what? Right, Australian part. Still, the South Pole has what called? Antarctica. So this is where you try to say. So all the landmasses start separating from each other. You can see very clearly. By the end of 65, but Europe and Asia has got what? Joined. Okay, Europe and Asia get joined by which mountains? Ural mountain. This is Ural mountain. But India is still not attached. So the attachment started around 55 million. 10 million they will reach here. So now this will creating a water body here. Come on, this is called which ocean? Oh right, Atlantic. And they start creating Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea here. This separation start causing what? Southern Ocean, and this motion start causing what called? This become Arctic. Okay, this become which ocean? Atlantic. This become what? Indian Ocean. And this become which ocean? Southern Ocean. So these are the new ocean actually. Southern Ocean. So new map. The present map is a byproduct of the movement that happens after 65 till today. Present map of the world is a byproduct of the later movement from 65 till today.